In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a flat rate shipping option fast and easy. If you're running an online store, having a straightforward shipping strategy can make a big difference in improving your customer's experience. Let's get started right from your WordPress dashboard. First, from your dashboard, navigate to the left-hand side, where you'll find the WooCommerce option. Click on it to proceed. WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, and it provides a comprehensive suite of tools to help manage your store effectively. Once you're in WooCommerce, you'll want to locate the Settings tab, which will guide you to the next steps in setting up your shipping options. Within the Settings section, you'll find the Shipping tab. Click on Shipping, and this will let you manage all aspects related to sending products to your customers. It's crucial to set this up correctly to meet your business needs. On the Shipping page, look for the option that says Add Zone and select it. Shipping zones allow you to customize shipping policies tailored to geographical areas, ensuring that your pricing strategy is aligned with your market needs. Once you've clicked Add Zone, you'll be prompted to enter a zone name. This is where you'll define the region you want the flat rate shipping to apply, such as domestic or international. Now, under the same window, you should see an area labeled Zone Regions. This is where you select the specific cities or countries that this shipping zone will cover. You can be as specific or as broad as you like depending on your business strategy. Take a moment to think through which areas you want to target and make sure your selections reflect that. After defining your zone, it's time to add a shipping method. Click on Add Shipping Method. A pop-up will appear where you'll select Flat Rate from the list of available shipping methods. Flat rate shipping is a convenient option because it's easy to communicate to customers and simplifies your pricing strategy. With the flat rate method visible, you'll now click on Continue. This will save the shipping method to the respective zone you've just created. However, your new shipping method won't be active until you finalize these settings. Finally, conclude by selecting Create and Save. It's important not to forget this step to ensure all your efforts reflect in your store's checkout process. Once saved, your customers will have the ability to choose this flat rate during checkout, enhancing their shopping experience with transparent shipping costs. And there you have it. Setting up a flat rate shipping option can significantly streamline your logistics and improve customer satisfaction. Thank you for following along, and I hope this guide helps you manage your shipping needs more effectively. Keep watching for more tips on how to optimize your e-commerce store.